Okay, so something they don't teach you in school is how to clean your bed properly. So I'm going to go over this today because I've spent a lot of time looking into it. Okay, so first of all, linen sheets, they produce a lot of dust. They say that it's because they're shedding. I'm right here that I found. I've done a lot of research into it. They shed forever. Okay, I've had them for years. They just continuously shed. One way that they say to reduce a little bit of the dust is to air dry them, and you're supposed to wash them on cold. I've done all of that. They still produce dust. So I got Cozy Earth. I'll link all of this in my biography, but I got Cozy Earth, which was recommended by Oprah. Not as much dust, so much better. Like, I love linen, but those are going in the guest bedroom. Sorry, guests. Okay, next, you're gonna want to clean your mattress. You're also going to want to get a mattress topper because you're going to sweat in your bed, most likely. I hope you do. And you're going to need to clean your bed. So I had to clean my mattress today. You spray it with stain remover. You put baking soda on it. You let it soak in, and then you vacuum that up. Okay, so that's how you clean your mattress. Your sheets. You're going to put your sheets on cold. Don't wash them with your clothes. Wash them just with your sheets, with your pillowcases. You're going to wash your pillow. To wash your pillowcase every 3 to 6 months. Boys, I know you haven't cleaned them in years. Go do it. Next, going to clean your duvet. If you don't know what a duvet is, it's what goes outside the comforter. Also going to wash your comforter. It has a lot of germs in it. Then you're going to get an air filter for your room. I have one. You might get one for every room just because you can really tell the difference in the air quality. I think I covered everything. Oh, and then spray your sheets with this really yummy stuff from Hotel Collection. I'll put a photo of it up here, but oh my god, it smells like the one hotel in Miami. And it just smells like you're on vacation. Also, silk pillowcases. I love having silk. More difficult to clean. I think that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay, bye.